That we're tracking for you from the startup world. The top story today, edtech platform ByJus has deferred employee salaries for the second month in a row. In a letter to the employees, the company said that they have put a temporary hold on salary dispersal until they receive a green signal from the National Company Law Tribunal for utilizing the funds raised from the recently rights issue. Ritu, you've got more details on this. Tell us.
That's right, Shruti. We've been given to understand from our sources that ByJus has held off salary payments for the month of March, which is the second month in a row after it delayed salaries for the month of February itself and only partially paid them in March later. Now, in a letter to employees, which we have reviewed, the ByJus management team blamed investors for not being able to use the proceeds from the rights issue to pay out these salaries. The letter said, and I quote the letter, "A few misguided foreign investors in ByJus have obtained an interim order in late February which has restricted usage of the funds raised through the successful rights issue. This irresponsible action by the four foreign investors has compelled us to temporarily hold the dispersal of salaries until the restriction is lifted," end of quote. Now, in this letter, the management claimed that they are following a parallel line of credit to ensure that employees receive their salary by the 8th of April. What this parallel line of credit is, where it will come from, the management did not really disclose in the letter. But they reiterated that the company has secured the necessary votes to increase the authorized share capital for the rights issue, which means the management said that once the restrictions on using these funds are lifted, ByJus will be able to meet all salary commitments immediately. Remember, the NCLT is currently hearing a plea filed by a group of investors, including Process, Peak 15, Safina, and General Atlantic, who have filed an oppression and mismanagement plea against the founder and the management and opposed this rights issue. ByJus also held an EGM last week to secure the shareholders' nod to increase the authorized share capital to enable the issue, and now the court is going to hear the matter on the 4th of April, and until the matter is disposed of, ByJus cannot use any of these funds that are to be kept in an escrow account.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV 18 on all of our digital platforms.